StarLINER kit includes a wireless remote which allows you to change the color, brightness, and patterns of the fiber optic stars. This also has a music feature which will allow the stars to change with the music in the vehicle. The StarLINER panels are 2-inch thick, dense foam which is 4 times thicker than most headliner kits. This provides substantial noise buffering while on the road. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. First, we have our 2 StarLINER panels, our 2 wiring adapters, wireless RGB remote, and mounting hardware. First step is to clean off any residue from the hardtop using an alcohol swab. So we're going to peel the backing from the 3M tape, align the StarLINER panel and stick down in place. It's worth noting to keep this in the down position to ensure clearance. Next step is to install the mounting hardware. So we've installed the first StarLINER panel. Now all you need to do is repeat the steps from the other side. So we're going to remove 3 T20 screws. Now that we've removed the 3 T20 screws, using a panel tool, we're going to release the center dome light. And unplug it. We're going to remove the center panel. Set that to the side. Next, we're going to T-tap the yellow wire with blue stripe. We are also going to T-tap the black wire. Next, we're going to take our 2 wiring adapters, strip the wire tips, combine the red and black wires together. Then we're going to add a male quick disconnect to each wire. Next, we're going to plug the black wire into the black wire on the harness. Then we're going to plug in the red wire to the yellow wire with blue stripe. To keep the wires from sagging, we're going to run them both through each of these eyelets. Next, we're going to reattach the center panel. Then we're going to plug in the center dome light. And then we're going to reattach the dome light into the panel. Reinsert the 3 T20 screws. So now all that's left to do is to reattach the hardtop. Lastly, we just need to plug in the wiring adapter to the Starlight panel. This is a quick disconnect, so you can still remove your hardtop without removing the wire harness.